Okay, so we got that out of the way. All right, let's start some video. Yay. And let's just take off. Little
Takeoff.
Mavic mini action.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I notice as I am walking away from the Mavic Mini that the distance that it always puts up there is the distance from where you took off. It's not from where you are. Because I've walked, believe me, a couple of 100 feet away from the Mini because I took off in the parking lot because I didn't want to start it up here in the mud. And I'm walked over here to my spot that I'm always at. If I turn the drone, you'll see. You'll see where I am, which is hundreds of feet away from the Mavic Mini. But it's showing that my distance is 83 feet. It's 83 feet from the car, which is where I started it, right next to the car. So there's the distance. So you'll know that for the future, the distance is from where it took off, not from where it is from the transmitter. Okay? So that'll just give you a future heads up on the Mini. Look how wet. It's very wet out. I mean, my distance right now is probably like 300 feet away. But it's only going to show the distance from the car. You know. Strong wind. I don't know about all that because I don't feel any wind at all. Okay, I don't know what the... I think, well, I was going full stick forward, so maybe that, you know, was making it seem like it was windy. I don't know. Telling you guys, this Mavic Mini is really nice, man. This thing flies like a dream. Wow. This thing is sweet as hell, man. Boy, I can't be any more happy with this thing. Wow, this thing is rocking. Yeah, there's a little bit of breeze, actually. You know, the thing about it is when you get up there a couple 100 feet up, it's usually more windy than it is down here at ground level. Okay, so it looks like, I'm gonna show it to you over here. I'll see if the Mini will pick it up. There's a little manger scene out in somebody's backyard there. Right there, directly straight ahead. Anyway, there's a fake deer there, like the deer is visiting the manger. I thought it was real, okay, because there's like loads of deer around here. So I actually thought that was a real deer standing there. Pretty funny stuff. So I'm gonna go out here and land it. I don't want to land it in the, or I could just hand catch it, you know, it doesn't matter. I just don't want to drop it down here in this mud anywhere. What a great toy this thing is, man. Wow. All right, guys, I'm going to cut the video. You guys have a nice day.
Landing.
All right, I just hand caught it. Hell with it. It's easier.